Just like you, I've heard IHOP pancakes are impossible to replicate at home. Well, make sure to watch till the end as we prove them wrong today. To start, we are going to add 1 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar to a large mixing bowl. To help our batter rise, we are going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. If we only used baking soda, it would neutralize the flavor of the buttermilk. Therefore, we are using both. Then add a 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Though if you only have table salt, that will work too. Give all the dry ingredients a good whisk together. Now for our wet ingredients, we will start by adding a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. In addition to our buttermilk, we will also add a 1/4 cup of whole milk. For our eggs, we will add 1 egg yolk and a 1/2 an egg white. Then to our mixing bowl, we will add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. This last ingredient is optional but highly recommended, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until fully combined. If you enjoy making recipes from restaurants like this at home, then make sure to subscribe in order not to miss all future recipes. To cook our pancakes, heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and spray it with cooking spray. Using an ice cream scooper, add some batter to your pan. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes before flipping. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you are a massive fan of IHOP pancakes. For a good visual cue when to flip, wait till you see a couple bubbles forming on the top. Then cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or as needed. Then place on a wire rack to cool. To make the cinnamon spread, in your pan over medium heat, add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Give that a good mix together until all the sugar has completely dissolved. To that we will add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and bring to a boil. Then cut the heat. Add a 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon and mix that together. To get that nice glossy finish, add 1 tablespoon of butter and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix together until smooth and glossy. In a separate bowl, add 2 ounces of cream cheese. We are now going to make our vanilla cream cheese glaze. Then add a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar. For our liquid ingredients, we will start by adding 1 tablespoon of milk. Next, we will add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you would rather use a vanilla bean, that works great too. Then mix it well until it's completely smooth and creamy. To stack our pancakes, start by placing one down and putting some of our cinnamon spread in between. Place your next pancake on top and make sure to add more cinnamon spread. Do this for however many layers you would like. Then on top, pour the vanilla cream cheese glaze. Pour the entire bowl, you'll thank me later. If you like these pancakes, then make sure to watch this video on how to make focaccia at home. Enjoy!